Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. It's easily to claim and easily pay you instantly in your Faucet pay or your real wallet address. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. The website name is Coinpayu, and this website advertisement website, and this website pay you much more advertisement by watching. Okay, by watching advertisement, and you can earn your free cryptocurrency. You can see weekly this much advertising watching, and this much active people, and this much time is payment. Okay, this website pay you 100%. First, go to register. You can register yourself. Okay, put your username, email address, password, confirm password, solve the captcha. Okay, you can choose your captcha, any captcha you want, you just choose it and you can solve it. Just click register. I have already an account, just I click login my account. Okay, now I'm login my account. This is my account, this is my fresh account. I didn't earn anything in here because I can just free, and you can withdraw your amount. Yeah, I share with you the withdrawal. Okay, this is $1 withdrawal payer. Okay, price, and the Bitcoin, the Satoshi, this much Satoshi will be send you in payer. The Faucet pay, this much is the Faucet pay. The Litecoin wallet address, real wallet address, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash or Dogecoin pay you this much. Okay, this all available wallet, and this is for Bitcoin wallet address. The real Bitcoin wallet address is this much. Okay, if you reach it, you can make your free withdrawal. Okay, the first way is the view ads, the surfing ads. Okay, the surfing ads have a much more surfing ads in here. You can watch all of these 25 surfing ads. The first one is this match is watched 60 seconds, pay you 4.5 BTC. Just click it, wait for seconds, there's seconds reloading. Okay, come back in this website. This you can see the seconds will be counting down. You didn't watch this website, just come down back, don't close the website, just come back and watch the counting down, and you can solve a captcha. You can claim your free BTC from here. Okay, you can choose your play sound. If this counting down finished, the sound will be on and sound you to this one finished. Okay, just I pause the video, I come back. Okay, one, and it's finished, and I receive my amount. Okay, without any captcha, just I click the next one. I didn't watch this website. Okay, just I come back and watch this one. Okay, counting down. Okay, I solve all of the hats and then I come back. Okay guys, now you can see I watch all of the ads available in this page, and I earn 59 Satoshi. This is very low because the Bitcoin price is right now very high. About that, pay you less BTC. The next one, you can watch window ads. This is all Windows ads available. 70 Windows ad available. Just watch this Windows ads too, and you can earn much more. Just click it and open it and wait in here. This is window ads advertisement. Just wait in this page, don't leave this page. This will be continue that active window. Okay, and pay you your Satoshi, and you can see this page pay me my Satoshi. Okay, this is Windows ad. And the next one is the video ad. Video ad, some people have a video in YouTube and they want to earn some views, and just click it and wait few seconds, and this video will be appear and you can watch the video. Okay, and watch 30 seconds of the video. Just click it and you can watch the YouTube video for 30 seconds. I just watching this video. Okay, and okay, you can see, and the counting down is a start right now, and I watched this video and I earned some coin of BTC from this website. Okay, this is a little bit longer. Okay, 3 2 1, and okay, this continue. Visit the website. You can see this will be inactive right now. I watch it, and this is all, and you can close it right now, and you can watch again and again and again. This all is free way you can earn some free crypto, and you can watch next one too. Okay, and the next one is the offer wall. You can go to offers, you can complete offers, and you can earn some crypto, and you can go to this one. This all as surveys, and you can join the survey. This is all rules. It is tell you just click start, and you can put your email. You can request for survey. The survey is scam. You can complete it and you can earn much more. Okay, and all of this survey is available in here. Okay, the next one is advertisement. If you have YouTube channel, okay, you can make a YouTube channel, and for here, and just type new way for earning, and just click next. If you have YouTube video, this is the clicks available in here. You can click it. The duration of the continue, just put your that video. Okay, you want it. Language, you can choose it, your language. This is English. And device, your mobile or phone, anyone. Ads, return, link, website, you can link it, ads, return. Okay, and extend VPN, daily limit. Okay, this all about the CPM of this match, total Satoshi paid, this match advertisement available. Okay, this match Satoshi you pay, you can earn 5,000 view. Okay, if you have 1,000 view, the minimum amount is 5,000. Okay, and not too much. And you can go to link your video too in here, link your YouTube channel. Okay, and confirm it. This will be confirmed. Okay, and put your link. I go to my videos. Okay, if I want to link my one of videos, maybe this one or maybe this one, I just go to copy the link. Okay, and just come back and just paste it, and the link will be copied, and they show you a link. And you can link your YouTube channel to YouTube channel. Go to in here, copy your YouTube channel. Okay, come down and paste it in here. Okay, and just click confirm. This will be confirmed, but I didn't have a purchase amount. If you have, you can go to purchase deposit. You can deposit amount from payer. You can click it, USD dollar you want to purchase. Okay, BTC, the minimum BTC is this much. If you want to send amount of dash coin, honey coin, okay, you can see. Okay, the minimum amount. And this is all about this. And the next one is the referral. You can come to referral. You can refer your friends, and you can earn some Satoshi with the referral. Okay, you can make a referral link. This is your referral link, and you can copy it, paste it for your friends, and you can come to join this. And you can see the market, and this is all available referral link for buy. This is the price you can sell or buy your referral, and this is all earning from this referral. Okay, this much average day of earning, 57 days, this much total earning. And this is the available referral. This is the next one, you can earn much more. And this is all available referrals. Okay, and if you want to buy, just click it. This one is the one of the best because this is very high balance app, and you can buy, just click it, purchasing. You can purchase this referral. Okay, and this is one of the best way you can earn much more. This is buying this much price. Okay, just click it, you can buy the referral. Okay, and you can maybe earn daily this much satoshi. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Just watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning from free websites, and no minimum amount for fees for depositing on withdrawing. Okay, this all website I share with you, this all website is free. If they pay you free. If they didn't pay you, they told you I didn't pay you. Like this website is 100% fake website because I share with you this website. Sorry about that. This website didn't pay you anything. I have 3,000 Doge right now. I didn't make withdrawal from this website. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.